Today, we're going to talk about the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So the big difference is all about the hosting. Because with WordPress.org, you need to have a hosting account and a registered domain name. So the version that you get from WordPress.org is the self-installed version in which you need to install it to your own website or your hosting account. Whereas in WordPress.com, you don't need to purchase a domain name, you don't need to buy a hosting account. All you need to do is go to WordPress.com, sign up, and you're good to go from there. Well, of course, there would be pros and cons with using WordPress.org and WordPress.com. The advantages of using WordPress.com is, well, you don't need to get your own hosting account. You don't need to manage a web server. It is very easy to set up, and of course, you'll be able to customize your website. The cons, however, is that your site's URL will look something like this. As you can see, it has WordPress.com at the end part. This is true, or this is the case for most WordPress.com users. Another is you won't be able to upload custom themes and plugins. And of course, you won't be able to access or modify your website's code. WordPress does offer a workaround for this. It is through an upgrade, so once you upgrade, you'll have the ability to register a domain name. Now, when this happens, there won't be the WordPress.com part on your website name or your website address anymore. You'll also have the ability to upload videos. And you'll also have the ability to use premium themes for your website. Now let's talk about WordPress.org and its advantages. First is you'll be able to use your domain name from the start. And another is you'll be able to upload and install themes and plugins. So it's very flexible. You can also modify the code of your website, and you can access your site's files and database. The cons of using the self-installed version from WordPress.org is more about cost. That is because you will need to have a registered name or website name. You'll need to have a hosting account, so of course you'll need to purchase your own hosting service from any provider that you like or that you choose. And again, please note that registering a domain name or website name and getting a hosting service entails cost.